And a big announcement today from the organizers of the North Carolina State Fair. Because of Hurricane Michael, the fair won't open as planned tomorrow. CBS 17 consumer investigator Steve Sprasia is live at the fairgrounds tonight. And Steve, do you know what went into this decision?
They took a lot of time to make that decision. In fact, the manager of the fair says it was a decision they did not make lightly, but they felt it was in the best interest of public safety, especially after looking at all the weather data. He also says he believes that the closing of the fair tomorrow will have an impact that's relatively minimal.
We feel like by making the decision today, we feel like that we make this decision easier for those that are impacted by it, both those that would be working here as well as those that would be visiting. We feel that with this being the first day, it is a shorter. It is traditionally our lowest attendance day. We feel that, and the weather forecast beyond the storm passing is beautiful. It's going to turn a little bit cooler and be fair weather.
Meanwhile, the fair will reopen on Friday, and inspectors want to make sure that rides like this are ready for action.
You check these wires, and you make sure each individual wire is still looking sharp. You don't want nothing broken.
For Ride Inspector Carrie Creech, the 2013 Vortex accident is never far from his mind when he does his checks.
You bring your kids out here, I'm the same way. I'm thinking of your kids like I'm thinking of mine.
But there's something else on his mind, too. It's the storm winds from Michael and how they'll affect some rides.
Can this stuff withstand wind gusts like that?
Some can. Some that would have to be disassembled. Set back down on the trailer.
Here's an example, the State Fair Flyer. When Florence hit a few weeks back, more than 100 seats on that ride had to be taken off the wires and then reassembled after the storm passed.
We have to come back and reinspect every time they take these seats off, so we just inspected this last week.
Rides which stick up in the air are the most vulnerable to high winds, and Creech says operating manuals will have to be checked to see what the maximum wind stresses are for scores of rides.
You'll go on a ride-by-ride basis. You kind of go and you approach each one individually.
If a ride is disassembled, it will have to be re-inspected after the storm passes. And while guys like this get rides ready for Friday, there's another preparation ongoing that you're not seeing. There's livestock here at the fair, and we're told that preparations are being made to make sure that that livestock is safe when the big winds and rains come blowing through here. Reporting live from the fairgrounds, I'm CBS 17's Steve Sprasia.